To configure a scanner, select Scanners in the left navigation pane. In the My Scanners page, select Scanner Management. Select Scanner Settings. Select New Scanner Setting. Select the scanner model you are working with. For this example, we will select the DS8208 scanner. Select the submodel that matches your scanner. Click Next. The first screen is to change the cable connection settings. Make any needed changes and click Next. Now you can modify Symbology. Click Next when completed. On the Modify Data screen, you can add an Enter key, a Tab key, or keep the factory defaults. Click Next. Make any changes to the imaging preferences. When you are done, click Next. Make any changes to the general parameters of the scanner. When complete, click Next. Now to name the setting. Click Next. Review the settings and click Create. The new configuration is saved in Scanner Settings and can be applied to your devices by using the Profile Deployment feature. The new scanner settings appears in the Scanner Settings list. The new scanner settings can be exported to a Scncfg file or to a scannable PNG barcode file.